For my people in the front, in the nosebleed section. This is for the headsets, loving the mix. My people in the front, all covered in spit. Batters in the box, suffer the pitch. Hilltop hoods, all up in this bitch. And with the front leaders, punks who can't beat us. We bump the pump meters, the drunk, you chumps need us. So jump with us, down the front if it's your flavor, come get drunk with us. This life turned out nothing like I had planned. Why not? By now I should have had some land, some money in my hand, round about 50 grand, but I got nothing. I run rhymes in the bus, I keep suffering. Fuck the lungs of the dust, you keep sniffing. That shit is for the bunkers, this shit is for my bros, my people in the front row. Check it out. I got hip-hop taste buds. I wanna hear that bass when I make love. Wanna hear some lyrics when I wake up. Write rhymes to get me through a breakup. Rough up whiskey straight, no chaser. Went through 50 breaks, no flavor. Till I found this one and made the bass hook with the drum. My savior. This a comeback, tongue dash, sharp like a thumbtack. So tight, James the same. Get my foot back. One track, that residual. Noise man, fuck that, we clean with the digital. Toys on the Apache, you're failing to match me. Throw your hands in the air like you're hailing a taxi. I move to the front floor, you're stepping out, you're drunk, bro. This is for my peeps and the freaks in the front row. If suffers in here and you in the front row, covered in beer, the club bonus don't say the place is wrecked as your fault. If the roof is on fire, it's an electrical fault. Man, a vegetable bolt when I bring it live like Friday night footy in my hoodie, I can hard eye. Get live on the brakes, on pace one. Lads, if you're heading to the bar, grab your mates one. Ladies, come chill, come rock with me, honey. I got like $500,000 with Monopoly money. There's no stopping me, honey. So you can take my hand, we can lay on the beach and count grains of sand. Take a plane to Japan and drink sake with the mafia. Fly to Libya for some Bacardi with Gaddafi. Dinner date.